Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Endra Daniswara. I'm here to make a tutorial and to show you how to block website from Windows Defender Firewall. The first, you must search the application. The name is Windows Defender Firewall. Uh, and then you must check it first. Does it turn turn on or turn off? Nah, we click in this. If you have the same settings like me, and then your Windows firewall is turned on, and then you click the advanced settings, uh, and then we choose the outbound rules. The first week we choose the new rules, and then you choose the custom rules. To what type of rule would you like to create? You choose the custom rule, then click next, and then you click on the all programs, and then you next. In here you just the below, which is the remote IP address plus the role IP2, and then you click these IP addresses. And the first we will access the website. uh, for the example, we will access the Instagram. We click that. Wait. We click that. www insta instagram.com. Wait. There's typo here. Dot com. Then you click. Uh, we can access the website of the Instagram, and then we will search the IP addresses to uh, to input it in here, and then we open the command prompt, and then you run as administrator, and then click yes. uh, and then we will type uh, ns lookup the name of the Instagram domain, insta instagram.com. You click enter. uh, this is the addresses of the Instagram. We will copy it and then put it on here, and then click add, copy paste, and then click OK. And then you click next. You just the block the connection, and then click next. Next name is block Instagram for the name of the rules. Then click finish. The rule of block Instagram already in here because we success to make the rules for block the Instagram website. And then we will access first time we refresh. uh, this it can be reached. This means that our rules to block the website from Windows Defender Firewall have succeeded. Thank you for your attention. Thank you. Goodbye.